You know, in New Orleans, that's what we do on Monday. You don't think of having anything else but red beans and rice. So I grew up as a kid looking at my mom, Chef Leah Chase, cooking red beans and rice, and on Mondays, we knew what we were going to have. I was told why red beans and rice was so important and so special here in New Orleans, and my mother always told me, it's because on Monday a lot of people did their laundry. And of course, we didn't rush our red beans and rice. We didn't want anything that would maybe scorch if we didn't watch it, or if we went out to hang your clothes up on the line, that they still would be good on a slow fire. So it was just something they grew up with, because they were taught that, and it was passed down, and it continues. So the red beans and rice and the Monday morning laundry goes hand in hand.